Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Tangku Marak State Secretary ke ABBP Meghalaya habakren shakila pathai khobor madakasngi ulaong bagajing bam ya kedok Masi kamde ka pop ne ka kam Bymman ulaong bangi em hakari ke badan bunjat ki rukom bam rukom di bat kum juru ke dekari ke badan kita ki bakhen ya ka Masi kum ka kemi henrei ula benrap bangi deban sngoutho baki don pat de ki bam nget ya kata shu ulaong ru bakalong ke bae langin persya laningin kershan ne ka jing thmu jong ki runget Hindu kumta ulaong bakaseng kamla ban ong AA halor kani.
Very sensitive issue we can say. As a student organization, we cannot take the decision and we cannot go, easily in this matter because we have to see. Because this is a sentiment that we can see. We all know that it's a very much, hurting to the sentiment of the local people, as we all know that. But the thing is, we have to know that if we go against this also, if we accept this also, it's a very it's a very difficult for us. And we cannot say in this matter. No, you see. So first of all, we have to understand that the eating beef is not what to say. It's not a sin. Also, it's not an offense. We all know that. So see, according to the place and the situations, the food habits is so much different from each other. So we should understand that. But it is one of the culture of our country that some section of people's so they think that the cow is their mothers or something like that. But for the other section of the people, it's not. So we have to understand that. So it's very easy that we should keep in mind all these things. Thank you.